Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to find your WordPress username and password in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the WordPress website that you want to find the username and password for, click on WP admin. And you will go directly or you will be directly logged into your WordPress website. Now to find your username and password, it's simple. Just click on this little profile icon here, click on edit profile, and this is your WordPress username. And for your password, you can simply set a new password. Click on set new password. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And for your password, you can simply set a new password. Click on set new password, fill in your password here, and if it is a weak password, click on or check this box next to confirm use of weak password. After that, click on update profile, and this is your WordPress password. And this is your WordPress username. And this is how to find your WordPress password and username in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.